In this video, I'm going to be telling you how to use Vaseline body lotion to achieve a beautiful, even radiant skin. Who told you that when you use Vaseline body lotion, your skin is going to be dull? That Vaseline body lotion is not effective. The reason is this: you don't know how to use it. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how to use Vaseline body lotion to achieve an even toned skin, a glowy and a very radiant, brightening skin. Maintain your skin if you are dark or chocolate skin. This combination with this Vaseline body lotion is not going to allow your skin to be saggy or have any stretch mark or any other skin irritation like sunburn. Watch this video to the end so that you can learn. The first Vaseline body lotion I'm going to be talking about is this Vaseline B3, an even tone Vaseline B3. This one is for a fair skin person. Contains clean, vitamin B3 and other effective, good, mild ingredients for your fair skin. You can combine this body lotion with these extracts. You are going to have that even toned skin. You're going to have that smooth, classic toned skin. This one will moisturize your skin, keep your skin. It will not allow your skin to have any skin irritation. Why this soap is going to work as a brightening agent on your skin. It's going to brighten your skin because it has a brightening agent inside. With these two combinations, your skin is going to remain sweet and very glowy, like you are going to like your skin tone. But this one doesn't have much oil, so if you are a kind of person that have dry skin, you can add Vaseline oil into it. Vaseline oil has a lot of combination. It has niacinamide, it has hyaluronic acid. You can add it to it. You can just add it. I don't mean pour it inside. You don't pour the Vaseline oil inside the body lotion because it might react. I don't like mixing cream. If you want to mix your cream, learn how to mix your cream properly. Keep the Vaseline oil aside. When you apply this lotion on your skin, you now apply the Vaseline body oil on top of your skin. By that, you are going to have a very beautiful, radiant skin, radiant fair skin. This one is for a fair skin person and you are going to like your skin. In fact, so many people will be asking you, what are you using? And this particular combo is on a low budget. With this is just 2,000, this is 3,000, and the Vaseline oil is 9,000, the original one. So with just like 17,000, you are good to go. If you don't want the Vaseline oil, you can go for other affordable oil like all this turmeric oil or other good oil you can use if you have a dry skin. But if you have a oily skin, you can just use these two combinations on your face skin and you're going to like it. Try it and thank me later. So the second Vaseline is this particular one. This one is for a chocolate skin. This one has a lot of oil inside, so you don't even need to add extra oil on it. You don't even need to look for oil. With this is a moisturizing Vaseline lotion. Even a fair skin person can use it, but mainly it's for a chocolate skin. This body lotion will moisturize your skin. Contain pure oat extract and other good ingredients like cleansing. It's very mild and it has a lot of moisture and it has a lot of oil that is going to maintain your skin. So you can try this one. You can combine it with this K Brothers. This is K Brothers Ordinary. This is not the carrot one. You combine it with this K Brothers Ordinary. This will help to brighten your skin tone. Why this one will help to hydrate and moisturize your skin, bringing moisture into your skin. Why this will help to brighten your skin tone. To maintain your chocolate skin with Vaseline body lotion, you can use this and this. The last but not the least is Vaseline cocoa butter. This one is very effective. This is for a dark skin person. If you have a dark skin and you are looking for a way to maintain your dark skin, this is the one you should go for. But this one has a lot of oil to moisturize and hydrate your dark skin. But if you still want to brighten your dark skin, when I mean brighten, I don't mean bleaching. There's how you brighten your dark skin tone. It will be shiny. Okay, let me put it like, if you want to maintain your dark skin, it will be shiny. Somebody will be asking, what are you using on your dark skin? I love your dark skin. You can use it with this Ido papaya combination. And if you feel like this one is not giving you what you want, maybe the content is low, it's not like brightening, you can use it with K Brothers carrot. With these two combinations, your dark skin will be sweet, like you are going to like it. There's how you see a dark skin, it will look as if it's dirty. Your dark skin, when you look at it, it's as if the person is not bathing well, the person is not taking care of his or her skin because of the way you are maintaining your skin. But if you know how to combine your products, you have that glowy, brightening, dark and shining dark skin. So with these two combination, K Brothers Carrot and these two, you are going to have that glowy dark skin. It has a lot of oil inside, and this one will help to brighten your dark skin. See you in my next video. God bless you.